I'm gonna start off by addressing the rumors right away. Uh, the 2025 stock market crash. It's silly to even say out loud. And it's honestly silly to even see this on my feed as I'm scrolling through YouTube. That the amount of so called investment gurus are selling this news and giving into this news of it's over. The stock market crash, graphics of things tanking on their um, title pages. It's honestly ridiculous to see the level of hype, like hype train. I'm not a financial channel. I don't plan to become a financial channel. Honestly, at the end of the day, I just have been doing this for 10 plus years now and trading on my own account, you know, solely off my own account. So do not give in to hype. You have to have reason when there is a lot of fear in the market. The market is in a state right now where you can call it topping out. It's looking like a market crash. But is it? The fundamentals of the future is there. Google is a company. Do you not believe in it? Do you not use it every single day? Do you have an Apple product? Do you have a Samsung product? Do you have a car? You're going to work. You're making money. That's how the market works. And so if you're really investing in sound companies like Nvidia, for example, I've this is a company, like an industry that has their hands in almost every facet of the future. So if you believe in the future, then I don't know. I see it as an optimistic thing. I really do. But there is so much like clout chasing online that's saying that there's a stock market crash. We're in a crash. Everyone just wants to be at one extreme or the other extreme. And no one really wants to just mediate and have a level head, right? Be level headed. Because when you're confident, when others are panicking, that's when you truly make money. So I'm saying that right now as a long-term investor in the future, in future-based companies that I actually believe in. These are your Amazons and your Googles. What am I using every day? You know, the products the services that I'm actually using every day that other people must be using every day, you know? And so you're going to see these dips. These are normal. But when you start selling the news that it's a crash, then you've gone a little too far. Then you really start to see these so-called investment gurus show their true nature, that they're really after building a community and selling news, selling fake news when there is no fundamental reason that there's a stock market crash whatsoever. So do not panic in a time of panic. Um Sometimes you will lose. Sometimes you will lose. Professional investors still lose sometimes, and that's okay. You learn from those mistakes. That's the future. What else do I want to say? Be rational in times of panic. Like, don't give in to, losing out on your fundamental principles as an investor and give in to all this weird news online that you're reading, especially on YouTube. Um, Yeah, that's all paranoia and propaganda. Read the analysis of the companies yourself, study the charts yourself, and then make a logical conclusion. Do you believe that NVIDIA Jensen Huang's CEO, his Wednesday earnings call? I believe it's in, is it tomorrow? It's the 26th or the 27th of February. I forget. But tune into that because I think it's really going to be the call on whether the next 4 years of Donald Trump's presidency will be the golden age or really a Dust Bowl era. And Nvidia has their hands in so many companies that if it tanks, it's going to be a global tank. Um, but if they can manage to, you know, promote a bright future for its people, for everyday people, to utilize AI and robotics to the benefit of us, then we're looking at a green future. We're looking at times of peace, times of prosperity, Star Trek in real life. But we need to start feeling that as everyday citizens. I think I hope that the future is bright. Um but I'll leave it at that. I think I think a lot has really happened. A lot has really happened lately. A lot is happening. There are, talks of Trump's tariffs. There is talk of ending the war in Ukraine. There is talks of ending the war in Israel. There is talks of so many things in politics. And with China, the deep seek news, that was really the catalyst to start selling off. That was the dip that I bought. So maybe I'll be a bag holder for that dip. Who knows? Time will tell. But I think if you really give into this news of it's over and crash and selling this weird level of news, we should start to like not give in to the hype, but really look within, study the psychology of trading, study it, master it, like the art of war, and be reasonable and be logical and to take a deep breath and to be a confident trader. So if you take away anything from that video, take that. Until next time, thank you for watching. Peace.